Ready to set up your new round rug? Let's get started. Your Ruggable shipment comes with a rubbery rug pad and a soft fabric cover. The two pieces are rolled together, with the rug pad on the inside. Your first step is to unroll the rug cover. Once it's lying flat, fold it in half 3 times with the design or textured side facing in. Next, unroll the rug pad so the rubbery side is facing down. After that, place the folded rug cover on the rug pad with about 1 or 2 inches of overhang. Once the rug cover's lined up, go ahead and unfold it 3 times. To remove wrinkles, roll up the rug cover from any side. Then, as you unroll it, smooth out the wrinkles from the middle outward. Repeat as needed. And that's it. You're all set. Now, time to get back to the good stuff.